What did the ducky say?
Quack.
Quack, 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 quack. What does the Lulu say? What does Lulu say? What does Lulu say, Teddy?
Daddy.
Yeah, what does Lucy say? What does Daddy say?
Mama.
Oh, Daddy says kisses.
Daddy also says hugs.
What does Mommy say?
Cock.
What? I think it was. What does Mommy say, honey?
My daddy.
What does Mommy say?
My daddy.
Did she say I love you? I love you.
Mom.
You want to come here for a kiss and a hug? Oh, come here. This is my little man.
Up.
Ah, you're attacking me. Attack of the teddies.
Nanny. Nanny.
You see the lion right there? Yeah. What are you going to be for Halloween, Teddy?
Nanny.
What does a lion do?
Whoa.
That's right. That's right. That's right. What are you going to be for Halloween, Daddy? Okay. What is Mommy going to be for Halloween? What is Mommy? I think I'm going to be a zebra.
Apple.
Say hi. Say hi, Teddy.
No.
Can you put the duckies back up, sweetie?
Daddy, no.
No, you can't put the duckies back up. The duckies belong up there. That's where Mommy and Daddy have our duckies.